Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my videos. I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. I am going to be working with shea butter. This is the oil that I'm going to be working with. It's jojoba oil. I will still add the olive oil, but my olive oil is almost finished. So the next thing is natural aloe vera. So it's aloe vera gel because I don't have the fresh one. Bringgrass powder. I hope you guys are seeing it. Or not leave the ingredient, leave the ingredients. So see the ingredients now. So the next one is a brahmin powder. So this is it. Are you seeing it? So let's dive into this video. Shea butter. I just want to add everything in before I will put the stuff inside water. It's double boiling method that I'm going to be working with today. Natural hair is not something that is so easy to work with, you know. It's something of consistency. You have to be consistent in whatever you are doing. That's when you get that result. My hair is almost a year now, you know. I have a very big difference. Let me add in olive oil. I'll leave it to boil, you know. This shea butter have to melt. This is normal water that I add in. All right, let's leave it. I'll put the other of my photo here. I think 2 weeks ago, so that you go see say there is different, you know. I'll put 2 weeks photo where I pack my hair like this, so you are going to see the difference. All right. So guys, it's ready. Are you seeing it? Everything has dissolved. It's time to remove it. It don't. I'll put the other of my photo here. I'll leave it. I think 2 weeks ago, so that you will see say there is different, you know. I'll put 2 weeks photo where I pack my hair like this, so you are going to see the difference. All right. I'll leave it to cool down a bit before adding in my aloe vera. So stay tuned, guys. I want to drop this inside my freezer. All right. So guys, it's okay. So it's time to add our stuff. So this is a essential oil. So you can add citric oil. I'm going to be adding essential oil. So you can also use a lavender oil. Okay, depends on what you want. I'll whisk everything together. All right. I'll put the other of my photo here. I think 2 weeks ago, so that you go see say there is different, you know. I'll put 2 weeks photo where I pack my hair like this, so you are going to see the difference. All right. Essential oil. So guys, time to apply it on my hair. Stay tuned. So this is it. I'm going to apply it now. To look soft like this, you don't have to leave it on the ground just like that. So are you seeing my healthy hair? So what are you waiting for? If you want to go on a natural journey,